Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Melrose Mews, an established growing neighborhood, beaming with civic pride, proudly presents this multi-story 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom spacious home situated on a corner lot. The home features a large basement, inclusive of laundry, storeroom, and 1 bathroom that can be converted into a studio flat. Home office or man cave. Both the ground and first floor consist of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with large living space. You will definitely enjoy the calming views from the rolling majestic hills as you relax and unwind on the balconies and verandas throughout. The second floor houses the primary bedroom suite with his and her sink and walk-in closets, large shower stall with ample room to add a tub if you so desire. An added bonus is a small lot size of 4,418 square feet, making garden and yard maintenance easy and hassle-free. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29.5 million or US $191.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.